Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine being a new Canadian citizen or permanent resident. You want to bring your adult child to Canada, but you wonder, can I really do that? You might think that if your child is over 22, they can't come. But that's not the full picture. Canada's immigration laws allow some adult children to be sponsored. Today, we'll explore how to sponsor your adult children. We'll cover who qualifies as a dependent and the steps in the sponsorship process. So, can you sponsor your adult child? Yes, but there's a catch. They must meet Canada's definition of a dependent. This process is often misunderstood. Many families miss out on opportunities without realizing the criteria. Let's clarify what makes a child a dependent. Canada defines two categories for dependent children. First, children under 22 years old can qualify easily. They must be unmarried and not in a common law relationship. Here's an important detail. Immigration officers check the child's age on the day you submit your application. This is known as the age lock-in rule. For example, if your daughter is 21 today and you apply, she qualifies even if she turns 22 later. Second, for adults aged 22 or older, they can still qualify if two conditions apply. First, they can't financially support themselves due to a physical or mental condition. Second, they must depend on you financially from before they turn 22. Both must be true for the sponsorship to succeed. Let's take a closer look with an example. Meet Raj, who is now a Canadian permanent resident. His 27-year-old son, Aman, has a permanent disability. Aman relies on Raj for support. Even though Aman is over 22, he may qualify as a dependent child. This shows that age alone doesn't determine eligibility. But there's another requirement: your child must be admissible to Canada. This means no serious criminal history or medical issues that could make them inadmissible. Let's discuss who can actually sponsor a dependent child. To sponsor, you must be at least 18 and either a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or a registered Indian. Permanent residents must stay in Canada during the sponsorship process. Citizens living abroad must show intent to return. Now, what about income requirements? Many people misunderstand this part. Most dependent child sponsorships don't require a minimum income. However, if your child has children, you must show you have enough income for everyone. You may wonder about the financial responsibilities of sponsorship. Once you sponsor someone, you're legally responsible for their support. For children under 22, this lasts for 10 years or until they turn 25. For those older than 22, the commitment lasts 3 years. If your child receives social assistance, you might have to repay those benefits. Let's consider another real-life story. Maria sponsored her daughter who faced financial challenges and applied for help. Maria discovered she was still responsible because she signed the sponsorship agreement. Many sponsors don't realize this obligation continues after approval. Now, how do you apply for sponsorship? You start by getting the sponsorship package for dependent children and select My Dependent Child on the application. You have two choices: do it yourself or hire an authorized immigration representative. If you decide on a representative, make sure they are legally licensed. Accuracy is crucial. A small mistake could lead to delays or a rejected application. What about processing times? If your dependent is in Canada, it usually takes around 19 months. But if they're in India, it might just be about 7 months. Remember, these times can vary based on several factors. Let's say a family in Toronto becomes permanent residents and their 20-year-old daughter is studying in India. They apply while she's still 20. She turns 21 during processing, but her eligibility is protected since they submitted before her birthday. What mistakes should you avoid? Here are a few key ones. Don't assume that children over 22 are ineligible. Don't wait too long to apply. Incomplete forms are another pitfall, and be cautious with unauthorized representatives. To recap, yes, you can sponsor an adult child if they qualify as a dependent. Children under 22 qualify easily if they are unmarried. For those over 22, certain conditions apply. Sponsorship involves important financial responsibilities, and processing times can differ based on location. If you're unsure about eligibility, seek proper immigration advice. Family reunification matters deeply in Canada. Sponsoring a dependent child means building connections and creating a family bond in this wonderful country. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Drop your questions in the comments below. We, Certified Immigration Consultants, we are here to help. We offer free limited initial consultations tailored just for you on weekends. Email us at info@citisimmigration.com or visit our website to book your consultation now.